Hey guys, Dalton RV. Here's our best-selling large couples camper. This is a 2026 Palomino Puma 31 FKRK. This camper has a front kitchen and a rear king bedroom suite, mid family room and dinette. It has two big AC units, power stabilizer jacks, outdoor kitchen with Greystone griddle. Inside you've got a sleeper sofa that's been upgraded, also theater seating, washer and dryer already included. Come check it out at Dalton RV.